Hey guys, Brian here. Today I wanted to show you this self-watering planter that I printed out and put a plant in. It's designed by Parallel Goods, and this is the small free version, and you can get a larger one that costs $1 or $2 at their website, so go check them out. And here we are in 2020. Brian here, 3D printing out a larger reservoir and a pot here. And you can see my 3D printer has the parts exposed because it had trouble printing the full 10 hours and the 7 hours needed. But I was able to resume the print and print out the two pieces somehow. This is the reservoir. I got lucky, printed it straight out, but the printer, the Lulzbot Mini, crashed right at the end when it was cooling off. Here's the pot, which I had to resume, and you can see there's a scar all around the top where I resumed it. And I printed it upside down, which made it stringy at the bottom, but we won't see that, so it's all good. After that, we went outside to transfer the plant from the red to the yellow pot. Here we have some organic cactus mix selected by my advisor. Obviously, the next step was to make a bed of soil in the pot, and we could put the transferred plant in there. It has to surround it, right? Mm-hmm. After that, it was time to take out the old plant carefully and dust off all the excess soil, leaving just the root ball.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's the lowest I think I can go.
Okay.
Are we centered?
Mm.
Water?
なんだろう。落ちじゃないよ。
Finally, it took a couple tries to properly center the plant with the new soil in the new pot, but after giving it a proper shakedown, it was all good. With the red pot empty, my advisor planted some Echeveria plants.
いくらでも増やせるの？
It's okay in that crowded pot?
大丈夫。もっと土でも入れて。後でね、綺麗なとこだけ出して。Okay.
Okay.
Great.
And here are the two final plants, the Sansevieria and the Echeveria, sitting in the great outdoors. I think the red one is growing so fast it needs a larger pot now. But here they are in their natural new habitat. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.